brother. People are so friendly. Everyone's so friendly. Kind of this intrigues me.
Yes.
Hello, brother.
Pav Bhaji rice.
What is this?
This Pav Bhaji.
Is it vegetarian?
Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Only 100% veg.
Okay, perfect. And what does it come with? Bread? Does it come with bread?
Bread आएगा. This bread.
Yeah.
ये आएगा complete dish Pav Bhaji.
Okay, okay. And how much is that?
150.
Okay, let's get one of those.
One plate.
One plate.
Spicy without spicy.
Little bit of spice.
The Pav Bhaji is come.
This looks good, brother. Cooking it up on his big old pan. And then this looks like the bread that we're going to be eating. We've got our 150 here. And it smells good. Getting the school dinner plate out.
These
Onions. What's this called? What's the name of this meal?
Shiv Sagar fast food.
Okay, that's the name of the restaurant.
No, this Pav Bhaji.
Okay.
This
Ah, Pav Bhaji. Okay, okay, Pav Bhaji.
Manchurian this.
Okay. So now he gets his hands all in the bread. And then I guess he puts the bread.
Manchurian खाओगे धुआं निकलेगा नीचे.
I really hope he's been washing his hands. And in it goes. Nice. And I can sit here.
Yeah.
Okay. He's got a seat for me. Thank you. Perfect.
यहाँ पर.
Brother, here's a 150. Thank you. I will eat. Thank you. Okay, so we got some food for 150. We got
और
some
extra bread चाहिए extra 30 rupees.
30 rupees for more bread. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna get stuck in, see what this is all about. So I guess we can dip the bread,
अरे ओ दादू.
which I look forward to doing. We'll try.
ए दादू. तेरे गाँव
We
वाला
dip.
क्या कहता? देखा? योगी जी क्या
It's not
कहता
bad.
सुना?
Pav Bhaji, as I pronounce it.
Okay.
It's very good, boss. Tastes like just a masala kind of curry. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. I do like it, to be fair. It's got lots of spices in it. Let's sprinkle some onions in. I'm not sure if that's how they do it, but I'm gonna try that. Might even have a little mouthful.
नहीं रहेगा ना तुम लोग आराम से लाओगे उसको मालूम है.
Vegetarian food at Juhu Beach,
वो आदमी जगह रोक के
150.
मैं देखूंगा यहाँ से.
£1.50 that is. I'm pretty happy. It's very good. Very tasty. So I must say I'm pretty damn happy with my Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji, yeah, that's how they say it. The only negative thing is I found a couple of hairs in there. But apart from that, top quality food. It tastes a lot like most Indian curries. There's not much spice in it. It's vegetarian as well, which is a bonus because there's a lot less chance of getting ill. And it's not what we want. The bread is really good as well. Brother, that was really, really good. Very good. I'll leave it here. Thank you. Napkin. Perfect. Good service as well. So if you're ever at Juhu Beach, come round the side. Look, we're on this side. If you come to the right, this is the store. Very good. So we're all fed. The journey continues. We've got around I don't really don't know, half an hour maybe. Half an hour. I'd like to hope until this glowing ball of fire in the sky sets down on another day. As it sets down here, it rises somewhere else, probably Los Angeles, somewhere like that. But we're gonna wait it out, we're gonna hold on, see what the vibe is on the night, and then go and get a tuk-tuk back to the hostel where we'll be staying again tonight in Pali. Hello, man. So yeah, how are you? Good. Perfect.
How you like beach?
How do I like the beach?
No.